Learn how to automatically insert slide numbers in PowerPoint all at once. With just a few quick clicks, this works in all modern versions of Microsoft PowerPoint. So in the view pane, you can see that I have 13 slides, and now head to the insert, and you can also click on the header and footer, or you can click on the slide number. So if you click head and footer, you will be routed to the header and footer, and if you click on this slide number, and again you will be routed to the same dialog box. So here you will see that there is a slide number. You just need to click that. And if you don't want to show the numbers on the title slide, then uncheck that and click apply to all. And now click on the sheet, and here you can see that the slide numbers are showing. You can also view that. Click on the slideshow and go to the from beginning, and here you can see that the numbers are showing on the right top side, and there is no number on the thank you page. So in this way you can easily insert a slide number in PowerPoint. I hope this video helps you. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching.